I think I'm doing it wrong actually. I think I should put the nicer recovery boards on the outside. Let me do that right now. That's much better. I shall wash them when I get home. What makes someone a real overlander? Let me know in the comment section. Sick add-ons. I like the cute little fuel tanks. That guy has the not cute fuel tanks. Sick add-ons. It's a sign. I need the cute little fuel tanks. The hardcore overlanders always hang out at the mall. This guy got new tires for Christmas. The mall always has the best overlanding rigs. High lift jack, off-road lights, snorkel, winch. Looks like it's gonna rain too. So if it starts raining, the street lights don't work, that guy's gonna be ready. He's gonna need to winch people out of here. Turn on those off-road lights. Happy Tuesday. It's Christmas tomorrow. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm doing some mall overlanding right now. I have a Jamba Juice gift card to claim. Also want to take this time to welcome new subscribers. My last video hit the YouTube algorithm, so let's talk about overlanding a little more. There's my buddy with the Jeep right there. You know what he was missing? Recovery boards. If it starts raining, that guy with the Jeep has a winch. I have recovery boards. We both have high lift jacks. I have a shovel. So we'll be able to help people out of here. The lampposts go out. I also have off-road lights. Nature's the way left me this comment 30 minutes ago. I appreciate that. I will respond to this comment with the link to this video I'm making right now. And this comment right here is the inspiration for today's video. A lot of times your guys' comment inspires me to make videos. Not a real overlander. If you don't have a fridge or rooftop tent, sleeping inside the van is way too practical. A real overlander would sleep on the roof. Your shovel is way too cheap and useful. Roto packs are a must for the look. I didn't show it in my last video, but I do have a fridge, 12 volt. There's my solar charge controller. That's how I'm running my laptop. This is my overland rig of choice, a van. Look at all that space. No need to sleep on the roof. There's my cheap, practical gardening shovel. You know why I have a cheap, practical gardening shovel? Because I bought one of these cute little shovels and it broke in one use. So I'm not messing around anymore. In my opinion, a real overlander, besides hanging out at the mall, has recovery boards. And they have to be in bright orange. It has to be an eyesore. The first thing people have to see is your eyesore recovery board. So when you see bright orange recovery boards, to me, that screams, I'm an adventure person. I'm an outdoorsy type. Another thing you need is a storage box. You know why you need a storage box? Because you're so adventurous. You're gonna be out in the elements or the mall so long that all your gear doesn't fit in your vehicle. So you need a storage box to hold all your gear. I think I'm doing it wrong actually. I think I should put the nicer recovery boards on the outside. Let me do that right now. I caught myself doing it wrong. I should display this one since it looks like I never use it, and not this one. So put this one on the outside. That's much better. I shall wash them when I get home. Those guys are probably filming me. If you see a video on YouTube titled Poser with a van plays with recovery gear in mall parking lot, direct me to that video. Then I'll leave those guys a comment and say, hey, that was me at the mall parking lot. Aux locker, selectable locker. Open diff, locked. You know what I don't like about this mod? No one knows I have it. I need a contact aux. See if I could get a decal. See, I need that as a decal so I could put it on, my window. People have to know about my sick add-ons. I need some Fox Shocks decals too, and some Skyjacker decals. And what are these? I think these are Nylights. Yeah, there you go. I need some Nylight decals. That's the thing I'm really lacking. I need more decals. Appreciate the comment, finally me 78. When you left this comment, I told myself I happen to be going to the mall today. This is the perfect topic. About to wrap up this video, and look what pulled in. Hummer H1, the original. No sick add-ons at all. So what do you need to go overlanding? What is overlanding? It's car camping. You could car camp in a mall parking lot. You could car camp at a campground, or go off-roading and camp out in the wilderness. Whatever you need to have a good time, buy what you need that motivates you to get out. So to conclude this video, here are a couple of my buddies' lifted van builds. Some of us have sick add-ons, some of us have plain vans. So run what you brung. I don't think this thing needs too many sick add-ons. It's a Well-Tech lift kit on this one. Hi, Hank. Here's the Convoy. This one's action van suspension right here. There's a Well-Tech behind it. Yeah, buddy. It's a Well-Tech right there. That's a 4x4 GM right there. Yeah, buddy. There's Fantasy TV right there. Bigfoot 4x4. Yeah, buddy. Action van suspension. Right there, action van. DIY 4x4, two-wheel drive right now. America. Yeah. And there's the man, Mr. Action Van Suspension Larry. The OG. Yeah, buddy. U-joint 4x4 ambulance build. Action van suspension. Plenty of clearance. Looking good.